Welcome back, folks. This is Design Duel Challenge with Jay versus Juna, episode 12 already. This is flying by. This is a crazy amount of time going on here. We just finished episode 11 a little while ago, and we are recording this now for episode 12 for you guys. The last one we just did, you can see on my screen here, was back to school in a tarot card aesthetic, which kind of mind-blowing to
Yeah.
put those two together. But
Wow.
that's what's really fun about this, right? How you
Yeah.
doing today, Juna?
Doing great. And it turned out great. If you want to go watch that video, I think both of ours turned really cool. Like we didn't expect where it was going to go, but it ended up really well. Yeah.
What I do want to say is that we now have a brand on Amazon merch where you can see all of our previous designs. So it is
Mhm.
Design Duel, 2 words, space JX Juna. So
Yep.
you should be able to go look it up. I'll flash that up on the screen now so you guys can see that. So no typos or whatnot, but you can go check out our designs and see if any of them actually sell.
Yeah.
That said, if you know how this works, fast forward till you see that clown wheel spinning. And then if you don't, what's going to happen is Juna and I are I'm going to spin this wheel and it's going to choose an aesthetic here. And then we're going to spin it again with subject matter. And again, if you guys have anything you want us to see, any kind of design styles or subject
Yeah.
matter, let us know down below. Please subscribe and we will
Yeah.
get to see what kind of aesthetic we're at here.
Yeah. Cool. Aesthetic first. Let's do this.
Yeah, since I've already got it pasted from last time. 90s bootleg.
Whoa.
We have
Okay.
not done that yet, right?
No, but that's a cool one.
Yep.
That's a tough one, but I think Kittl has some templates for it. So hopefully a Kittl, relying on Kittl, but that's a fun one. It's a fun
You know
one.
what? I think I'm gonna move Weirdcore up
Out?
into the aesthetic, right?
Oh yeah, yeah, it is. It is aesthetic.
Let's do this. And this is great because we have no idea what's gonna happen.
No, yeah, we're flying blind right now.
So 90s bootleg.
90s bootleg. Come on.
What are we working with?
Anything will be funny.
Anything but retirement.
Oh, yes, space would work. Space would work.
Okay.
Got some ideas already.
So space, and then we're
90s bootleg.
Juna's got to set his clock for 25 minutes.
25 minutes. There we go. So that's the idea is we can do this and you can too in 25 minutes. So you ready?
I am so ready. Kittl has a ton of bootleg templates.
Oh, does he?
This is gonna be a fun one.
This is gonna be great. Okay, 3, 2, 1, start. Let's do this. I'm gonna start with the templates. Do they call it 90s bootleg? Because I hope so. Yeah, 90s bootleg.
Oh yeah. Even if you just put bootleg in there. Yeah. I need my lightning bolts though.
Yeah, I want to do the one and yeah, that one's cool.
Wasn't there? They had AI imagery.
I don't know.
Textures.
Bootleg.
Not textures.
I'm gonna just do bootleg. Let's see what happens. Yes, yes, that's a good one. Okay, bootleg is the term right there, dude.
Space. Wow. What are you
I'm
laughing at already?
Those are some fun ones, man. They got this down.
The Snort Squad template. This is funny. We do a lot of stuff for dogs, or my wife does anyway, and that would be funny.
I gotta
Because it's a
figure out.
bunch of pugs.
That is so cool. Okay, I got a template I like. Where there it is.
What do you got going on here?
I got some orange cats here. I'm looking for one where I love what do they call it? The text, but in that style where it's almost like
metallic.
a chrome. Yeah, chrome metallic. Yeah. Yeah.
There's a few in here. I just put bootleg in the templates.
Yeah, that's what I did too. That's what I did. Oh,
that one's gonna work.
work.
Oh my god, there's already a space one.
Really?
I don't want to look at that. I don't want to get I want to do my own funny thing here.
I didn't get to it yet. I wonder if I should do space bootleg so I can find out what you're. Oh yeah, I see it. Universe Drifter. Hey, that's a pretty good.
I think I'm gonna be more hands-on with this one. We'll use the AI for the imagery, but live text and other components here. So I'm just going to.
What text should I? Oh, there's another space one.
Is there?
Dude, yes.
I haven't gotten that far yet.
Galaxy Wanderer. Kittl just wins for text effects. I
agree. It's so nice and easy to edit.
It's already done for you. I don't have to worry about, can I make this a Chrome thing? Yeah, it's already done. Thanks.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh yeah, definitely. Using this template too, just because I like that lightning.
I'm gonna try something here.
Oh yeah. So this and this is great. And take these two.
Um,
Actually, and this.
what am I gonna call this though?
One of the golden rules for me is to always change the artboard to the color you want to design on, so you're not
Yes.
stuck later trying to convert elements that just will look terrible. And the bootleg always looks amazing on black. So don't need this. Oh, he's got a couple layers, this guy. That's crazy. I'm gonna go with Kittl Chat.
Oh, Kiddo Chat, smart. Yeah, I like that.
We're being awfully quiet here because we're
Yeah.
all intense in this.
This doesn't make
So
a
I'm
great
gonna
video, but look at what we're coming up with. I have some ideas, but I think I could use this one. But let's see. I'm trying to make it funny with cats and astronauts.
cats,
Uh,
astronauts. Yeah,
yeah,
they're always good. I'm going with
yeah.
shark.
Oh, shark astronaut? Shark in
Well,
space.
I think an astronaut riding a shark.
Oh, that's pretty cool. That's very creative. Things you can do with AI now is
Yeah.
just use your creativity.
Yeah, I'm just gonna try it.
All right, let's see. Now I'm gonna have to, I think I might have to cut and paste and see if this doesn't work, my thought is I'm gonna cut and paste and make it where I think, oh yeah, it didn't work. Okay, okay, let's convert this. Convert to image. Boom. I'm gonna take this out. I'll convert this to image. Or wait, can I? Yes, I can move these out. Okay, getting
I
there.
got a limit on the character, so
I'm gonna use cropping to like make my own. So double clicking on it will let you crop stuff. No, I'm saying it does.
oh,
Sorry.
okay.
I know it sounded like a question, but
Just gonna say thanks, Kittl, for allowing us to have collaborators. Because even though we're against each other, it's really cool to be able to use the same artboard.
for real.
I think I'll just come down here and use the nano banana down here.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, wait, I like this. My spirit animal.
Yeah,
Maybe no.
I don't know. I'm gonna try, for the sake of time, the other one.
This thing. Oh, because it's negative. Okay, okay, got it. Zero. Boom. Yeah. Okay. Oh my gosh. Reset.
Having issues or no?
I'm getting there. I think I might have wrote a word that's too long, or maybe it doesn't make sense. Edit. There we go.
How are we looking at time?
Oh, I don't look at time. 13 minutes. Oh, we got this. We got this so good. I think I might need some lightning back here. We'll see. I got some ideas.
So
We
the
got
Nano Banana Pro, I've never had issues and always had good luck with Nano Banana, at least for the most part.
yeah.
But Nano Banana Pro, I've tried outside of Kittl, and it was giving me some, I don't know, it was almost like it was overthinking.
It probably is because that's kind of like the thing about the new
Mm,
Gemini 3 is thinking, thinking, thinking. Yeah.
yeah.
It's definitely slower, at least in Kittl here.
So
It
I'm
used to be like
trying
super
to
fast.
generate an image here with the Nano Banana Pro, and we'll see what's going to happen. There's two tiers of the Pro. I didn't go with the 90-second generation one. I did with the 40-second. But if it
Mhm.
doesn't nail this one, see, it's overdoing this big time. So I'm going to copy this prompt, and I'm just going to go back to the default Nano Banana,
Okay.
fast and versatile.
Gotta find my orange cats again.
So the same prompt I've used now twice, and it
Yeah.
created very similar designs, different styles, but I don't like it. Yeah, and this thing nailed it immediately. This is cool.
Oh, good.
This guy has a, you know what? I'm just going to generate again. See what we get here. So immediately the original Nano Banana nailed it as far
Nice.
as the three. I do like the digital one, but it doesn't make sense for this design. This is cool. Almost got a lightsaber. This is cool.
Whoa.
So
Oh, that is cool. Holy
second
cow.
generation with just this. This works for me, so now I can easily just use the eraser here and pull this out. Now I'm probably gonna go into
Copying this here, and I'm gonna try my thing again. Are all of these on the board? Maybe that's why. All right, and then maybe my prompt wasn't good. If not, I'm gonna have to rethink some of this.
crushed it.
Oh, dude, I'm looking
Convert
at
to
yours.
image, remove background, make sure we're not gonna delete anything. Yeah, awesome, epic. So, you know, you got Nano Banana Pro for these two, and then this guy, I can make you small now. The first of the generations with just the regular Nano Banana was this
Yeah,
one, and then the second one was this one, which is what I'm using for sure. This is incredible. I love it.
nice.
So out there. Now I need to go back to the chat.
The smartboard did okay. It's my backup. I got some backups. I really like this one, how it turned out. I'm gonna convert to image. Let's see, how do I get rid of, oh, I know, I did that wrong. Wonder if we can do. I'm testing it out. Doing two smart boards at once.
Nice. I'm not doing one, so hopefully it works for you.
Yes, that worked. Remove background. Can I remove? Convert to image? Yeah. Remove background. Yes. Gotta get this size right here. Hmm. Like it. Wow, yours is turning out great, man.
I just
Edit.
don't know.
Yeah.
Maybe just sharks astronaut.
Yeah, the wording, right?
Yeah.
That's what I was struggling with too.
Sharknado's funny, but it's
Sharknado.
can't use Jaws, can't use because we want to list these, right? For
Yeah.
the designs, we can do whatever we want, but if you're gonna list them,
What's gonna be put in here to make it look?
10 more
Get rid of this. Oh yeah, time.
related.
4 minutes. 4 minutes.
4 minutes. Oh no,
We got this.
10 more related to fish. Oh, here we
Da,
go.
da, 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 da.
Fantastic, fantastic.
Got it?
Nice thing is I can just double click, drop the
Oh,
paste my
there's that moon
text, and
there.
then we can change everything here. So let's go with the colors.
Oh, dude, come
Where's
on.
the colors? We are
Yeah.
going to, yes, that looks way better. We can maybe try a radial here and see
Ooh, this is kind of cool.
if I can change the angle. Yeah, let's go stick with linear here.
I don't know. It might be too late on this, but I'm gonna try it. Oh, I know. This is a fun
On
one.
now, send to back. This is looking
Copy.
awesome.
Do do do. Yeah, it's really cool. Okay. What else can I use here? I'm trying to grab stuff from different things here. I don't know. I kind of like it white. This is such a fun one. I could play with this like all day.
Yeah, totally. I agree.
Especially with AI, you can make some wacky stuff, man. Like we're both doing. Like, there's no way. yours, yours is kind of Star Wars, man. That's awesome. That's
We're going
super
Beastie Boys
fantastic.
on this one. Intergalactic planetary instead of intergalactic.
Yeah, we need some Beastie Boys music, huh?
Yeah. You know what? I could have had Fintergalactic up top. That's what I should do.
Yeah, stop
Um,
overthinking it. We got this.
Now text decoration. We're gonna go with
There it is. Time.
as time.
That's time. You want a couple more minutes?
I don't think so. If I did, it would just be to move this lightning down a bit.
Yeah.
Maybe make you a little smaller.
I'm just putting stars. I'm just adding stars.
I'm actually really happy how this turned out. I think I can
Me
see us
too.
doing more of these in my future.
I know, right? This is so fun.
I haven't done one of these in forever.
You should be able to see these on Amazon now.
Yep.
Hopefully, if we put them on there.
And yes, this image is centered when you move it over like this, but the meat and potatoes of the image here is the astronaut, so you kind of need to ignore the gun here part
Yeah.
and center the mass, right?
Look at those lightning. That's such a cool color too.
I think I want his head over top. That's awesome.
Yeah, cutting into it.
Take the whole thing here and then shrink you so we fit on the artboard. Just some finishing touches here.
Yeah, finishing touches. Move to front.
Yep. This looks awesome. I'm happy with that. This turned out great. I love this popping up over top. This is cool. I love the colors. I love everything about this. I'm stoked.
Yeah, man. Fantastic.
Yeah.
Uh,
Space and 90s bootleg. Who knew? What do you got
yeah.
going on? Astro Cats in space. Nice. Fluffy, fiery, and sent from above. Cosmic blend of cuteness and cosmic swagger. This feline explorer charms the universe with undeniable adorableness, only to reveal an unexpected edge and confidence worthy of a seasoned space traveler. Wow, that's awesome.
I'm gonna have to put these feline explorers. I didn't
Did
read
we use
it.
the same font?
Oh yeah, this one. Yeah.
Yep.
Sign
That's
Master.
funny.
Oh, and both, right? And
Yeah, I think we started with the same one, right? The old guy?
yeah,
This guy down here?
it might have been. Oh no, I used a different one.
Oh, wow. Okay.
I think this just lends to 90s.
Yeah. What is this font? Sign Master Basic.
Sign Master.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
Yeah, this turned out awesome. I'm stoked about this one. I definitely
Me
see
too.
more of these in my future.
Yeah. Again, you could make a whole
Crazy fun.
shop full of these bootleg ones, huh?
Yeah. All right, folks. So I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna zoom in here. You've got Juna over here on this one. You got Jay on this one. Let us know down below which one you like best. And again, you can go to design duel, 2 words, space J, space X, space Juna. And I keep saying space because we're in the space realm here. I'll have that the brand name flash up on the screen so you can check it out. We'll probably link to a design eventually in the comments, so at least it'll be easier for you guys to go check out. Yeah, give me a subscribe. Please share this with somebody who might want to explore the series, because this is episode 12 now and it's been a ton of fun.
Yeah.
Once again, thank you, Juna, for doing this with me.
Yeah, this is fun. Thanks for doing it with me too. This is great.
See you guys in the next one.